With Spinview, you can improve your service offering to clients and reduce losses to your bottom line. Imagine a space where you can keep all client portfolio information in one centralised space that all your team can easily and securely access. Not just documents, but all visualisation files and data. From 2D, 3D, BIM, 360s, point cloud, and much more can be combined into one unified view. You can provide each client with their own portal where they can easily see all the information only on their asset. They can also provide access with ease to their partners or tenants, eliminating headaches involved with multiple software logins and saving you a lot on client license costs. Building and surveying consultants can now alert clients in a visual way that they can better understand to take action, and collect and show IoT data in a way that can be understood. Spinview, here to help you and your team streamline client communication, management, and cut costs.